Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware because compatibility prevents headaches later. Once done, gather the required cables. USB-C or USB-A, power adapter, and monitor cables. Have a small Phillips screwdriver ready. Make sure the laptop is powered off and any secure boot or encryption prompts are noted. Plug the dock's power first to stabilize connected devices, then connect the dock to your laptop briefly to let firmware handshake occur. This minimizes detection delays and prepares you for the next configuration steps. Next, connect displays to the dock using DisplayPort or HDMI cables and arrange monitor order in your OS display settings. This sets resolution and orientation immediately. Once displays are connected, attach peripherals, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and external drives so the dock enumerates all devices at once. If prompted, install the Fideco driver or firmware using the vendor utility. This step fixes DPI, power delivery, and port mapping issues. Finally, set power delivery limits and wake settings so your laptop charges correctly and wakes over USB when you open the lid. To finish, test every port. Verify video output, USB data transfer, Ethernet connectivity, and audio pass-through. Run a quick file transfer and stream video to confirm stability. If a device doesn't appear, unplug and reconnect that peripheral, then reboot the dock and laptop to reset the USB hub. Make sure power delivery is within expected wattage. If problems persist, swap cables and try alternate ports to isolate faulty cables or ports and update firmware. This single troubleshooting step resolves most intermittent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.